Today we're making a fun, unique twist on a truffle. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I've teamed up with ChocZero today to show you how to make a keto blueberry white chocolate truffle. Let's get started. To make these truffles, we're going to start by making our white chocolate base, which is going to be just a bag of ChocZero's white chocolate baking chips that we've melted down. I've melted mine in the microwave at 30-second intervals, stirring it in between until it's melted, but you can melt these using the double boiler method, which is where you take a saucepan full of water and then put a glass bowl on top, put your chips inside the glass bowl, boil the water, and that steam will help melt the chocolate. Just make sure you stir it as it's cooking. To that melted white chocolate, we're gonna be adding some butter along with heavy cream. Now, to get that blueberry flavor and the color, I'm gonna be using about half a teaspoon of blueberry extract along with 4 drops of blue food dye. Mix this together until it's combined, and then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for about a half hour or so just to help that mixture thicken up a bit. Once it's thickened up a bit enough to pull it out and roll it, you can pinch off a little bit and roll it into a small ball. Now, I like to roll my balls into some shredded coconut just for a little bit of texture and appearance, but also you can try rolling your truffles in some sugar-free sweetener or even some cocoa powder for a little bit different flavor or effect. I'm placing these back on a parchment lined baking tray, and I'm going to put them back into the refrigerator, or you can put them in the freezer just to harden them up a bit more. One really neat idea with this recipe that came to my mind was that they'd be perfect for a baby shower. So if you knew somebody that was having a baby and you're throwing them a shower and wanted to make them a fun, sugar-free, keto-approved dessert, these blueberry white chocolate truffles are perfect if they're having a baby boy. Or if they're having a girl, you could use raspberry extract instead, or strawberry extract, and then just dye them pink. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your keto blueberry white chocolate truffles.